Hello, my name is Phillip J. I'm the Division Chief of Radiology at Banner MD Anderson Cancer Center in Phoenix, Arizona. Glad to be with you here today to talk about some of the discussions we had about radiology in prostate cancer. I think one of the points I'd like to get across is that radiology can do a lot more than just detecting disease and whether or not it's present or not. I think there are new data analytic tools that we can be using to really help us assess treatment response, characterize disease, and do more advanced analyses of your patients beyond just morphologic analyses. On the diagnostic side, I think there are a lot of exciting things going on. In terms of Acumen, it's been really a great step forward for the urology community and prostate cancer community in the fact that we have an available tool to detect disease a lot better. What's exciting is there's an Osprey trial that's currently underway, sponsored by Progenics, that is looking at a PSMA agent that is slated to be completed in December 2018. I think the results of that trial will be very promising, and hopefully we'll see more widespread availability for PSMA. That being said, I think it's up to all of us to figure out ways to figure out why we should be imaging, when we should be imaging, and how it really impacts outcomes. And it was very exciting at this meeting to hear about some of the great work from people such as Dr. Rob Reiter from UCLA, who's beginning to start trials to answer some of these questions with regards to radiation therapy and hopefully eventually other interventions as well. On the therapeutic side, it was exciting to discuss radium-223, talk about the implications of the ERA-223 trial, talk about the new changes in the EMA label and what is likely in store for the FDA label as well, and how it's going to look in the future. I think one thing that we know about radium-223 and a lot of these interventions and a lot of these trials is that fractures do increase in a lot of these patients who are on trial as opposed to in the placebo arm. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out, and I think we'll know more at ESMO 2019 in Munich, Germany, this October, or not 2019, 2018, this October in Munich. Also, it's important for us to keep an eye out for a new trial called Vision, which is sponsored by Pharmaceuticals. That is using lutetium-177 PSMA in a multi-site prospective trial. I think this will be our first step forward to getting FDA approval for one of these theranostic agents and really be able to provide some of the patients here in the US and across the world a therapy that I think has a lot of potential. And it's also exciting to see other trials, such as a trial that's being started out of Australia comparing a lutetium-177 PSMA to a drug such as cabazitaxel. So a lot of exciting things going on. Stay checked in, stay engaged, and we'll try to keep you up to date.